Hi, I'm James. I'm one of the art controllers at Crown Point Depot. My position is to control movements from the station and to bring our passenger service trains onto depot for servicing and cleaning. So here we are at the art controller's office, and that's where I'm predominantly based most of the time due to the nature of the job. To facilitate the movements, we use multiple systems. We have landlines, we have mobile phones, and we also have radio communications with the network around us. Crown Point Yard Controller to Yard Assistants coming over. We work on a shift pattern basis at Norwich Crown Point. We work 12-hour shifts at 7 o'clock in the morning till 7 at night. Night shift timings are 7 in the evening till 7 in the morning, a 12-hour shift. Our busiest period is night time, when the passenger services have stopped and we have to bring the trains over from the station to carry out the servicing throughout the nights. We have probably between 30 and 50 movements to control throughout a night shift, and that's obviously then to turn around to get passenger services back to the station for our passengers in the morning. Our depot consists of 25 roads, and we have 2 reception roads, which are the roads that link us up with Norwich Station, and we're including a through road, which is classed as the curve, which is a link up between the depot and main line from Lowestoft to London. We also have 2 fuel pad servicing roads, which we use throughout the day and nighttime period, and this is where our trains are fueled and cleaned. We have 5 maintenance sheds on depot, and to accommodate the 12-car larger passenger service trains, and we also have a very up-to-date state-of-the-art bogie drop system in 14 road, which allows the wheel sets to be changed in a safe manner. The role itself, you could sort of describe it as being like a game of Jenga. Everything has to fit into its place, and you have the control to be able to do that. The job is never boring. There's always something to do. There's always something new to learn. The skill set required to be a yard controller, you need to work calmly under pressure. The job is very pressurised because we are dealing with a lot of trains over a short period of time. We have to be organised, we have to be methodical, and we have to be clear and concise and be a good listener. We do have a team of people that we supervise, and we have to make sure we work safely. One of the key roles of our job is safety critical. We do have a lot of people in and around the depot, and safety is paramount because of the nature of the job. The most satisfying part of the job is knowing that I can get a passenger service out in the mornings, because everything on the railway is obviously time critical, and I take a great deal of pride in that. On occasions, obviously things do go wrong, and we have to be reactive and methodical in everything we do. If a train fails in service, we then have to take measures to have the train returned to depot, and that's when we play our key part